Hey viewers, are you one of those guys or gals that just loves the sound of something spinning up? Like a jet engine or a turbine or something like that, and thinks it's just so cool? Well, I know I am, but in this next series of videos, I've just got random things that I've collected over the years that actually do have quite an interesting spin up or spin down sound. And so I'm going to start with this one here. I'm going to spin it with a big treadmill motor. It's basically just a eraser head to a VCR, or what used to be eraser head. I could make it go a lot faster than that. That was only 30 volts. But I don't want to push it too far. Thanks for watching.